Hi guys, welcome to Freshers Camp. So we are back with another part of height and distance. Before moving on to the details about height and distance part 2 and questions, I would like to tell you about our channel. So we provide regular updates on government jobs, technical, non-technical, and all other type of job opportunities as well as preparation material for campus placements and government jobs. Do not forget to subscribe the channel for regular updates. Please like the video and leave your queries in the comment section below. So I guess you all have watched part first of height and distance. This was the things we taught in part first, the basics and all the formulas, trigonometrical identities and value of the ratios, angle of elevation and angle of depression. So in part first we dealt with some of the basic questions for solving height and distance problems. Now we will move on to more questions and the questions will be difficult. So it is important for us to revise the formulas. So I hope you all know about sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec values and trigonometrical identities, ratios and angle of elevation and depression. So let's move on to the questions. An observer 1.6 meter tall is 203 meter away from a tower. The angle of elevation from his eye to the top of tower is 30 degree. So what is the height of the tower? Okay, so let AB be the observer which is 1.6 meter tall. CD be the tower. So C and D is this is the tower. The angle of elevation from his eye, which means from here to the top of tower, is 30 degrees. So it will be somewhat like this. And we have to calculate the height of tower. That means this thing we need to know. We only knew these two values, and we also know that this is 203 meter away from a tower. So now what we will do is we will just draw a perpendicular BE to CD. Now we know that CE and AB will be equal to 1.6 meter, right? And BE and AC will be equal to 203 meter. So DE divided by BE equals to tan 30 degree, and the value of tan 30 is 1 divided by 3. So it will be equals to DE equals to 203 divided by 3 meter, which will be equals to 20 meter. So the answer will be 21.6 meter. I hope I'm clear with the solution for this answer. Just the tip for this question is you need to know what the question says and you need to know this diagram. Once you draw the diagram, you will be able to solve all the questions for the problem. Moving on to next question. From a point P on a level ground, the angle of elevation of top tower is 30 degree. If the tower is 100 meter high, the distance of point P from the foot of the tower is. So we have four options and answer is option C. Let's see how. So let AB be the tower. Okay, and we know that angle APB is 30 degree. It is already provided in the question that angle of elevation of the top of tower is 30 degree. And AB equals to 100 meter. Thus also we know that tower is 100 meter high. Now we know the two values. So we can easily solve it by AB divided by AP equals to tan 30, which will be equals to 1 divided by 3. We know the value of tan, right? So we will do it as cross multiplication. AB equals to AB into 3 meter. So it will be 1003 meter. So we can multiply it like this. And so we will get it as 173 meter. Let's see more questions. So the angle of elevation for sun when the length of the shadow of a 3 times the height of a tree. We have four options. Let us consider that AB be the tree and AC be its shadow. Okay, so we know that angle ACB is theta, which is the angle of elevation, obviously. Now we know that AC divided by AB equals to 3, so we can do it as cot divided by cot theta equals to 3. After solving this, you will get it as theta equals to 30 degree. So the next question is, a man standing at a point P is watching the top of a tower which makes an angle of elevation of 30 degree with the man's eye. The man walks some distance towards the tower to watch its top and the angle of elevation becomes 60 degree. So what is the distance between the base of tower and point P? We have four options and we need to draw the diagram first. So one of AB, AD and CD must have given. The question is particularly based on like MCQ problems or data sufficiency, which we have also studied in probability and time and work problems. So we have to see, like, we cannot be calculate the distance between the base and tower and point P with the help of just these given values which we have in question. So the answer will be data inadequate for this problem. So the data is inadequate. This was all about height and distance, and you can deal with this type of questions in any aptitude exam. This is the homework problem. We will solve this problem in the next video. Leave your answers of the homework problem in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe the channel for regular updates. Please like the video and leave your queries in the comment section below. Thank you.